I've survived collapsing pyramids and decoded ancient traps across 3 continents. But this morning, I got absolutely destroyed by a self-service coffee machine. Walk into this cafe like it's another mission. Sunlight streaming through windows. Everyone glued to their phones. I adjust my bomber jacket and approach the counter with the same confidence I had facing the Temple of Doom. Then I see the digital menu board. Flat white, cold brew, nitro, oat milk, almond milk. When did coffee become more complicated than finding the lost ark? I'm squinting at this screen like it's written in hieroglyphics. Already feeling defeated, and I haven't even touched the machine yet. Move to the self-service espresso station. Touch the screen. Nothing happens. Tap again. Still nothing. Steam hisses dramatically from the side, like it's warning me to back off. This is a puzzle with 0 clues. I crouch down, examining the buttons like I'm disarming a bomb. Press 1. Suddenly, a jet of steam erupts straight at my face. I leap backward, booby-trapped. Why wouldn't a coffee machine be booby-trapped? Then chaos. The machine absolutely erupts. Milk foam explodes across the counter like a volcano. I instinctively dive behind it, whispering to myself like I'm under enemy fire. Caffeinated and unrelenting. Stand up slowly. Hair messy. Jacket splattered. Holding a dripping, half-filled cup. I've raided tombs with fewer casualties than this coffee run. Finally surrender and let the barista make it. Raise the cup like a sacred relic. Victory tastes bitter but earned. Outside I take a sip and smile. Some traps don't need ancient curses, just touch screens and overconfident archaeologists.